Ever wonder how a heat pump can heat your house even when it's cold outside? Most people think heat pumps create heat, but actually, they move heat. And honestly, that's what makes them one of the most efficient HVAC systems ever made. What a heat pump actually is. A heat pump is basically an air conditioner that can run in reverse. In the summer, it removes heat from inside your house and pushes it outside. But in the winter, it flips the entire process around. Cooling mode. In cooling mode, a heat pump works just like a normal AC system. Warm indoor air passes across the evaporator coil. The refrigerant absorbs the heat and carries it outside. Then the condenser releases that heat outdoors. That's how your house gets cooler. Heating mode. Now here's the crazy part. Even cold outdoor air still contains heat energy, so during heating mode, the heat pump absorbs heat from outside air, then transfers it inside your home. Instead of creating heat from scratch, it simply moves existing heat. That's why heat pumps are so energy efficient. The reversing valve. So how does the system switch between heating and cooling? A component called the reversing valve changes the direction of refrigerant flow. That single valve completely flips the refrigeration cycle. 1 minute, the indoor coil is absorbing heat. The next, it's releasing heat into the house. Why heat pumps freeze? But there's one problem. During winter, the outdoor coil gets extremely cold. Moisture in the air can freeze onto the coil, and if too much ice builds up, airflow gets blocked. Defrost mode. That's why heat pumps use defrost mode. The system temporarily switches back into cooling mode to heat up the outdoor coil and melt the ice. At the same time, backup electric heat usually turns on inside the house, so you don't feel cold air coming from the vents. This is why heat pumps are becoming so popular. Gas furnaces create heat, electric heaters create heat. But heat pumps, they move heat. And moving heat uses way less energy than creating it. So the next time someone says, "There's no way a heat pump works in cold weather," remember this: it's not creating heat from nothing. It's transferring heat using the refrigeration cycle. And that's one of the smartest engineering designs in modern HVAC. Follow for more HVAC engineering and real-world troubleshooting breakdowns.